What do you see?
You and Simone.
No.
Now take the pictures.
No.
You have minutes.
I have minutes?
Yes, take the pictures.
It's a timer.
What is for?
It tells me how long the video is.
Oh. Alright, now let's do with you and Simone. Let's do with you and Simone then. Let's do with you and Simone then.